Hello all, Tony here. It's been another challenging week for markets, with all three key US indices set to finish in the red for a third consecutive week as escalating Middle East tensions and surging oil prices reignite inflationary concerns, weighing heavily on risk sentiment and dashing hopes for multiple Fed rate cuts this year. Closer to home, the ASX 200 has also felt the pinch, currently trading 2.5% lower for the week. It's poised for a second week of losses and is already down over 6% for the month of March. The local index is really tracking that global pullback in equity markets, with higher energy prices adding to inflation pressures here in Australia. Looking ahead, next week is a big one for central banks, with rate decisions from the RBA, Fed, ECB, Bank of England, and the Bank of Japan. While our RBA is expected to hike rates by 25 basis points, the other four are anticipated to hold rates steady, but likely sound hawkish as those surging oil prices reignite inflationary fears across the board. Beyond all those central bank meetings, the Middle East conflict will undoubtedly remain the primary driver for commodity and equity markets as we push deeper into week 3 of the conflict. That's all for this update. Stay tuned for more ahead.